Sip and chug coffee po is because for me po kasi there are two types of coffee drinkers. One are the sippers. So sila po yung they take their time, they sip their coffee, relax. And then the other one naman po are the chuggers. So chug, so on the go, mabilisan, they order and then they chug na parang okay, tapos na, wala na yung coffee. So kaya po yung naging name po ng company namin is Sip and Chug Coffee.
Wow. Anong klaseng coffee ang pinapainom mo? You have coffee beans, you have ground coffee, and you have ready-to-drink coffee.
Yes po. So, for us po, ayan, as you can see, actually, for all coffee equipments meron po kami kasi we can sell coffee na whole beans po siya. So, coffee beans pa po talaga siya. Or we can grind it for free. Depende po kung ano yung coffee equipment that you have at home. Like, coffee maker, French press, even espresso. Yun po yung for our coffee beans and grounds. Ngayon, ito pong hawak ni Kong ay ang aming pong cold brew coffee na pwede rin pong espresso-based. So, kung mahilig po sa espresso ang tao, tapos iced coffee, yan po yung nare-recommend namin. And kung medyo nag-acid reflux po, ayun, ang nare-recommend naman po namin is our cold brew coffee po. Available din po siya actually in cups.
This is PET bottle. Ano yung shelf life nito?
Ito sir, made to order po siya. Pero kung in-order niyo po siya ngayon, pwede po siya, I recommend, up to 3 days po na refrigerated.
Ayan, magkano naman po yung mga coffees natin?
Ito pong 300 ml po namin. This one is only 150 lang po. Meron po kaming 500 ml na 200 lang naman po yun. Tapos we have different flavors. Yung dala ko po today is our best sellers. We have Spanish latte, caramel macchiato, our vanilla cream latte, and the strawberry latte. Ayan. Yes, ayan. Home-baked cookies po yan.
Alam mo, isang magandang yung almond coffee.
Almond.
Yes. Yes po.
Sobrang bango yung almond coffee.
Opo. Pwede naman po nating i-add yan sa mix po natin. Probably siguro next year.
You can buy natural flavor. Hindi ito artificial flavor.
Yes po.
If you buy natural flavor and then mix it with your coffee, you can have all kinds of concoction.
Opo.
Vanilla,
yes.
almond,
yes po.
Pistachio.
Oo nga po.
Diba?
Opo. Ayan. Excited na ako kung ang dami kong ideas na kukuha sa inyo today.
Curious lang po, may mga nagtatanong, ano po itong Coffee on Wheels? May physical store po ba?
For now po, we're Rizal's, we call ourselves our Rizal's first and only online coffee shop. So, meron po kaming online cafe where you can order. We're also available in mga delivery apps. Ganyan. And then yung Coffee on Wheels naman po namin kasi is through the help of my very helpful at generous talaga ng mga customers. So, sila ang nag-open ng doors for me to start my coffee bar po. So, we get hired for corporate events and mga private events like weddings, ganyan.
Kaya
opo.
may wheels.
Yes, opo.
Pinoy, ito na ang ating panahon.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!